Alright, with this video, I'll be showing you how to claim the reward. So first thing, you have to get the link to the reward, the link of the reward, which I'm going to send to you after you have completed the task. To know if you're available, you can check the link description. So copy the link, open your browser, and then paste the link there. Once you have pasted the link there, some of the files, some of the apps are in a zip format. If the app is in a zip format, you are going to see two files like this. One is the sync app, the other one is the password. Then download the app, click on download. Now click on download anyway. Now this will initialize download of the app. So the next thing you have to do is that you need to have a file manager that opens zip file. You need to have a file manager that opens zip file. So head over to your Play Store. If you haven't gotten one, head over to your Play, search for file manager. So this is the file manager that I love using. So you can download this file manager. Once you are done downloading the file manager, once you are done installing the file manager, click on open to open the file manager. Now head over to your storage, main storage. Now head over to your download. Now in your download, if you can't find the app you downloaded here, then what you have to do is that click this view, select on date, and then select this one. So this is basically going to sort your files. So this is going to sort your files according to the latest download. So right click on the file, click on here, select this one to open. Now open the password, copy the password, go back, then open the second zip file. Yeah, then click on archive here, paste the password here, and then click on OK. So it's going to open the app. Now click on the app to install. Before you install, you have to make sure that you have click on allow installation from a load file. You haven't done that. It's going to prompt you to do that. So you're going to follow the prompt to complete that. So then click on install and wait for the installation to complete. Once the installation is completed, then click on acknowledge. So this basically is telling me that the app is risky because it's a mod app, it's a mod app. So, but in some phone, if there is a reason that maybe the app could not install on your phone, maybe because of security, citing a security reason for a concern, what you have to do is that head over to your Play Store. Now, click on your profile. Now you see this Play Protect. Click on Play Protect. Now disable. Click on the setting. You can now disable Play Protection. You can either pause or off it, whichever one you want. You can pause or off it. Once you do that, you can now come and install the app. Now when you are done installing, as you can see, what I just installed is the DSTV. Once you install, open the app and then you enjoy the free gift of life. So open the app and enjoy. So this is the DSTV app. As you can see, the DSTV app, we have so many channels. Yeah, we have so many channels. Then we have African Magic. In African Magic, you can see all the channels in African Magic. You can see all the channels in African Magic. Some channels have more than one link. Some channel has more than one link. So we have this African Magic. So you can see this one is working. It's working very fine. So this is live. African Magic live. So this is live TV. And with this app, you can even watch any of your football match. Aside from the fact that we have all these sports channel here, these have 3 links. You can use any link. We have a sports channel. You can click on always so that it won't be showing this all the time. So this one is not working currently. The service is not available. That is why it's saying that it's not working. Okay, this is Premier League.
Yamada trying to accelerate on the turn.
So this is what is currently going on in the channel.
Holding his head.
You can even change the resolution from here.
It wasn't deliberate that from Shin Yamada.
And then for the Netflix app, once you install the Netflix app, open the Netflix app, you can see that this is not just a Netflix movie bus. This is not just a Netflix movie bus. It has so many movies in there. This app has so many movies here. And so it has even Netflix, it has a Prime Movie, Dynasty, and the rest of them. TV Plus. So anyone, you can choose from anyone you want to. You can choose from anyone you want to. So if you want to search any movie, from here you can see the popular movies. From here you can see your playlist. So this is 100% working. So this is Shadow God. Let's try one of these movies. We have Karate Kid here. Okay, let's check the latest movies. These are movies that are in the theater. So here you can check the latest movie. Let's take the latest movie from all the channels. So let's go by year, 2025. So these are 2025 movies. So this is okay, let's test this movie and see. This movie looks scary. So this movie has only season 1 current, and these are the episodes that have been released. This one has not been released yet, and if you click on it, you show the day that this episode is going to be released. So it's going to be released on so once you click on any episode, it's going to generate a lot of links here. You can see the links and the language. So you can click on any of them to start watching. Yeah, so this is the movie.
And for what? So the company can put shit into our breakfast cereal to control our...
Alright, follow my channel for more tips and upgrade. Thank you and God bless you.
Period. Do I need to post extra security or restricted view?
Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thank you.